This is an LG washer, and have a problem with the tub shaking around while it's spinning, so we're replacing the shock absorbers. There's the model number there, and we have to get around to the back side. First thing to do is we take these 4 screws out of the back panel here. Then you lift up the panel and it will unhook the bottom, and then pull the bottom out, and then down. There's 2 tabs there that hold the top, and this is the rear shock absorber. You got these pins in there that we have to take out. Now, before taking that pin clear out, I'm going to try to support the back of this tub with this wood block, so it's got the weight of the tub on there. And then I'll try to loosen this other pin. There we go. There. Let's see if I can remove this. Yeah, it comes right out. Okay, there's no weight on the shock. Take this pin clear out. There, so we got that bottom pin out. Then we put the new one in. New pins come with the new shocks, so always put the new ones back in. Okay, we use these channel locks to push that pin in. And I think we can take this board out because the pins are partially in already. Okay, that's the easy one in the back. All you have to do is remove the back panel. Now there's 2 on the sides. Look like there's one over there. So what I just noticed looking underneath there, the bottom of the machine is open. So I'm going to try to tip this machine up and replace the tub supports from the bottom. That'll save a lot of time instead of taking the front off. In the meantime, I'll put this back panel on since we're done in the back here. Now we'll look under here and see if it's possible to change the shock absorbers from underneath. Here, this other board will do it. Get that board close to vertical so it won't slide out from under you. when these pins slide in, there's a little push tab here that has to go past this bracket. So once that push tab is clear, then this pin is all the way in. Now we do the bottom one. It's a little more difficult down there. Okay, we've got all the new tub supports in. We'll see if it solves the problem. Okay, it looks like the shock absorbers fixed the banging around problem. And we also adjusted one of the feet. This foot needs slight adjustment also. So anyway, that's how you fix a LG washer when the tub's banging around during the spin cycle. Okay, thanks for watching.